Greetings to Miss Maya and my fellow classmates. My name is Sintuja and I'll be talking on why we chose Malaysia Galore as our company's name. First of all is the word galore. Galore itself means large quantity. As we know, Malaysia is a country with different types of races, cultures, traditions and food. Therefore, the content of our article is going to be about the food, historical buildings, and some of the interesting activities that you could do here in Malaysia. Moving on to the content of my article. I chose to write about the historical buildings in Taiping. This is because I'm very sure not all of them are aware that Taiping has historical buildings too. For an example, we have the prison, Lake Garden, Zoo Taiping, Perak Museum, and many more to visit and get to know well. So that is all from me. Thank you so much for listening.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. My name is Nur Azri bin Nordin. For the second assignment, which is e-newsletter, I will explain why we chose knowing Malaysia better as our topic and briefly describe my article as an individual section. Therefore, we have agreed to create an e-newsletter that promotes some interesting places in Malaysia for this topic. And there are various cultures and religions in Malaysia. In this regard, we try to diversify the attractions by choosing culture in Batu Caves Selangor. Next, in terms of historical places, we chose Taiping, Perak. In contrast, in terms of interesting place to eat, in Cameron Highlands, Pahang, and last but not least, we chose leisure activities that are hill climbing in Bako National Park, Sarawak. The diversity of this genre is expected to attract the interest of readers and further promote Malaysia better. I have chosen interesting interests in Cameron Highland for individual assignments because based on my own experience traveling there, I was particularly intrigued by the deliciousness of dishes from some of the eateries while enjoying the cool atmosphere that may not be available elsewhere. For example, YZ Strawberry Cafe, which serves a variety of strawberry-based dishes, is so unique and delicious that I will never forget the experience. And that is all from me. Thank you.
Vanakkam and greetings to all. I am Kirtana Shankar. In this video, I will discuss the target audience for our e-newsletter. The target audience for our e-newsletter is the general public to promote tourism in Malaysia. Moreover, we want our e-newsletter not only to read by Malaysians, but also by people from overseas. Taipusam at Batu Caves, an article that I wrote, discusses what it is like to be at Batu Caves during the Taipusam celebration. I started the article with a little introduction of Taipusam, followed by a description of Batu Caves to give readers a gist of how it looks like. Then, I further discussed about the main event in Taipusam. Lastly, I suggested the readers the best time to visit Batu Caves during the Taipusam celebration. And that is all from me.